To turn on or to enable watch only mode on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply navigate to the settings app on your watch, and then scroll and select the option battery. Under battery, you want to scroll down until you find the option watch only. Go ahead and select it. Now, depending on how you normally use your watch, you should get an estimated battery life of 9 to 14 days, again, depending on how much battery your watch currently has. Now, if you ever want to see the time, you just press on the home button like so. So now go ahead and select turn on, and then it will switch to watch only. This increases your battery life as it stated earlier, and it does just show you the time. So any features that you're normally used to, such as workouts, navigating through the internet, listening to music, are no longer available. The only thing you can do is just use it as a normal watch to see the time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.